How to log in to your PayPal account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily log in to your PayPal account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply search for PayPal. And now here, once you search for it, simply click on the first link on the result page. And once you click on that, you'll be prompted to the official website of PayPal. Now here, once you are in the main interface of PayPal, simply click on the login option, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here, you simply have to enter your email ID or mobile number first. And now here, once you're done entering your email ID, you need to simply click on next. And now here on the next field, you need to enter your ID password. So here simply enter the password, and once you're done entering the password, simply click on login, and after that you'll be logged in to your PayPal account. But just in case if you ever forget your password, you can just click on forgotten password, and after that you can follow the on-screen prompts to reset the password. And that's it. That's how you can log in to the PayPal account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.